Revolutionize audiobook creation with ChatGPT-4 AI model. Unlock the power of ChatGPT-4 AI model to effortlessly create and sell unlimited audiobooks to a vast audience of 2.3 million users. Imagine turning any content into high-quality audiobooks or podcasts without the need to record or write scripts. With our ChatGPT-4-powered AI app, you can transform a single keyword into a lucrative audiobook that generates 336 daily. Within just 60 seconds, you can create your first audiobook by converting articles, URLs, PDFs, or keywords into engaging audio content. Select from 660 real human-like voices in over 80 languages to personalize your audiobooks without any complex setup. Our platform offers 50 built-in AI features designed to simplify your workflow and enhance productivity. By leveraging our marketplace with 2.3 million active users, you can easily publish your audiobooks or podcasts on popular platforms like Spotify, Audible, and Scribe. Enjoy a seamless experience with a 99.99% uptime guarantee and zero upfront costs backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Act now to gain instant access to Ecco done for you. And Profit Accelerator, where the first 99 users witnessed a remarkable 246% increase in profits. Embrace this opportunity to join the audiobook industry with no technical skills or experience required. Simply publish your first audiobook in just 60 seconds using Ecco. Take advantage of our limited time offer and secure your commercial license at a one-time low price before the timer runs out. With just 4 clicks, you can kickstart your audiobook empire effortlessly, allowing AI to handle all the heavy lifting for you. Log in to the Ecco cloud-based app, input your chosen content, whether it's a keyword, article, PDF, or URL, and witness Ecco transform it into a full-fledged audiobook or podcast seamlessly. Experience the magic of Ecco's 100% human replica voices across various languages and immerse yourself in the exceptional audio quality it delivers. Join our community of satisfied users who have reaped the benefits of Ecco's innovative approach to audiobook creation. Click link in description to play and discover the difference today.